Alright, well, I'm back in the park, but I just wanted to show you this. This is the first running water of 2020 that I've seen. And we're in the way southwest part of the Anchorage area, right by Cook Inlet. So we get the highest temperatures. But that's the first running water I've seen in 2020. It's, let's see, it's March. Let's see, it's March 16th. That's right. It is. It's March 16th, and it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Beautiful day. Look at this place. What a marvelous place I have to walk in. Every day I walk through here. The other day I shot a bunch of moose footage. A little bit to the left of that fence. Later on, folks. Yeah, I was in here yesterday, walked right by a moose. I was down in the creek eating, and my phone went dead. Left home with 76% and my phone went dead. Anyway, I don't know if you can see him, but there's a moose right in the middle of the screen right there. It's probably the same moose I saw yesterday. Anyway, hopefully we'll get a little bit closer shot of something later. Okay, here's a little bit better shot, but see him over there? I've come into this John's Park, and I think this is a little farther down the trail, but he must be hanging around in here. That's a bull that's lost his horns. You can see where the horns were if you look real close. I don't know if you can see it on yesterday's, but also you can see that beard. Of course, I'll be honest with you, I don't know if lady moose have beards or not. But yeah, that's a bull. Can't see no nards, but we're a bit far away, and it's so cold I'm sure that they're up snuggled next to the warmth. All right, heard moose nards were pretty good eating. Anyway, there he is. I'm gonna go now. Okay, I'm here in the park and heading towards the moose here on the trail. Don't know what kind of moose. Hopefully it will just be cool and eat. Well, he's paying attention to me. Yeah, no need to worry. He's pretty small. Pretty small, but no, you're all right. You're all right. You're all right. I just want to walk by. Is that okay? Where's your mama? If your mama's around here, mama's probably in the neighborhood, right? Oh, there he goes. Or she, or who, I don't know. Yeah, just a little baby. Well, not a baby, a yearling. And scared. Mama's probably around here somewhere. There's some folks down there that warned me about the moose. The only thing is, there he goes. He's running. I don't know if you can see. Well, was running. So anyway, got to watch out for Mama. Mama and her calf. It's about midnight. March 1st. It's across the street. I'm up on the balcony. as I can. Coming over to my yard. Mama says, "Hey, youngin', you gonna follow me?" Because youngin' is still over here. Gosh, I hope that's focusing. Little calf. Well, I'll start her back up if the calf does something. Yeah, that calf is chewing on this bush that's got a electric light, a Christmas light still on it. It's going to be pretty funny if that little calf bites into that cord and gets shocked. That would be kind of interesting to see, huh? I don't know where Mama went. She's been gone for good 5 minutes now. Let's see what calf does. Saying, "Where's my mama?" Or, "Where's some more willow buds?" That's what they're looking for, but there ain't none to be found. They're just chewing on twigs now. It's a bummer time of the year for moose. Oh well, I'm getting cold. It's about 7 out here right now. Bye, little guy, or little girl, whichever you are.